Welcome back to the Daily Crypto Report, where we break down the biggest trends shaping the world of cryptocurrency and finance. Today, we're diving into how China has influenced Bitcoin's wild price swings over the years and where they stand today. We'll also look at how other countries are responding to Bitcoin and what this global perspective means for the future of cryptocurrency. To understand China's influence on Bitcoin, we need to go back to the early days of cryptocurrency. In the 2010s, China quickly became a global hub for Bitcoin mining. Why? Two reasons. Cheap electricity. The country's abundance of low-cost coal-powered energy made it highly profitable for miners. Technology expertise. China's tech-savvy workforce and access to hardware like ASIC miners put it at the forefront of Bitcoin mining. By 2018, estimates suggested that over 70% of the world's Bitcoin mining was happening in China. This dominance meant that whenever China made a move, whether through regulation or economic shifts, it had a massive impact on Bitcoin's price. Despite being a mining powerhouse, China's government maintained a cautious and often antagonistic stance toward Bitcoin. Here are some of the key moments when China shook the crypto market. 2013 First warnings. China's central bank banned financial institutions from using Bitcoin, citing concerns about money laundering and financial stability. Bitcoin's price took an immediate hit but recovered soon after. 2017. ICO ban and exchange shutdowns. In 2017, China banned initial coin offerings, ICOs, and shut down domestic cryptocurrency exchanges. This sent shockwaves through the market, causing Bitcoin's price to drop significantly before rebounding later that year. 2021. Mining ban. The most dramatic move came in mid-2021, when China banned Bitcoin mining outright, citing environmental concerns and financial risk. Mining operations were forced to shut down or relocate, leading to a significant drop in Bitcoin's hash rate and price. However, this also led to the decentralization of mining operations, with countries like the US and Kazakhstan picking up the slack. So where does China stand now? While the government continues to enforce strict regulations on cryptocurrencies, it hasn't completely abandoned blockchain technology. In fact, China has launched its own central bank digital currency, the digital yuan, as a state-controlled alternative to Bitcoin, invested heavily in blockchain infrastructure, signaling that it sees potential in the technology but wants control over its use. Interestingly, despite the mining ban, some reports suggest underground mining operations still exist in China, though at a much smaller scale. This shows that even with strict regulations, Bitcoin's presence in China hasn't been entirely erased. Now, let's zoom out and see how other countries are responding to Bitcoin. United States. The U.S. has become the new leader in Bitcoin mining, thanks to China's ban. States like Texas and Wyoming are crypto-friendly, offering incentives for miners and businesses. However, the regulatory environment is still unclear, with ongoing debates about how to classify and tax cryptocurrencies. El Salvador. El Salvador made history in 2021 by becoming the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. The government has even built a Bitcoin city, powered by geothermal energy from volcanoes, showcasing its commitment to integrating Bitcoin into its economy. Europe. The European Union has taken a cautious but positive approach to Bitcoin. While some countries like Germany and Switzerland have embraced crypto with clear regulations, others remain skeptical. The EU's upcoming MiCA, Markets in Crypto Assets framework, aims to establish unified rules across member states. India. India has had a love-hate relationship with Bitcoin. While the government has flirted with banning cryptocurrencies, it has also recognized their potential for innovation and job creation. A regulatory framework is still being finalized. Russia. Russia initially took a hard stance against Bitcoin but has softened its approach in recent years. The government is now exploring crypto regulation to attract foreign investment while cracking down on illegal activities. Africa. Several African nations, including Nigeria and Kenya, are seeing rapid adoption of Bitcoin as a tool for financial inclusion. With limited access to traditional banking, Bitcoin offers a decentralized alternative for remittances and savings. Let's get back to China's role in Bitcoin's price history. China's crackdowns have often triggered short-term price drops, but they've also had some unexpected benefits. Decentralization. The mining ban forced operations to spread globally, making Bitcoin's network more decentralized and resilient. Market resilience. Each time China enacted a crackdown, Bitcoin's price eventually recovered, proving the market's strength and adaptability. Adoption growth. Ironically, China's restrictions have pushed countries like the US to embrace Bitcoin more actively, spurring innovation and competition in the space. So what does the future hold for Bitcoin on the global stage? Increased adoption. As more countries explore blockchain and Bitcoin, we're likely to see greater adoption worldwide. Countries facing inflation or economic instability may turn to Bitcoin as a hedge. Regulatory clarity. While regulations can be a double-edged sword, clearer rules could attract institutional investors, driving up Bitcoin's price. China's potential re-entry. While unlikely in the near term, a change in China's stance could send shockwaves through the market. If the country ever re-embraces Bitcoin, it could trigger a massive price surge. CBDCs versus Bitcoin. As countries launch their own central bank digital currencies, Bitcoin will face competition. However, its decentralized nature sets it apart, appealing to those who value financial freedom. China has played a massive role in shaping Bitcoin's journey, from driving its initial growth to creating dramatic price fluctuations with its crackdowns. But the global crypto landscape is evolving, with new players stepping up and Bitcoin proving its resilience time and time again. What do you think? Will China re-enter the Bitcoin space in the future, or will other countries continue to lead the charge? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.